In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up your default profile in Empower Docs. After Empower Docs has been successfully installed and Word is started for the first time, it is necessary to set up the default profile. The profile management can be reached via the Insert group and the button Fill in Document. The stored profile, called Default Base, can be adjusted by clicking on the Edit pencil. The information stored here at the beginning comes from a connected directory service, e.g. an Active Directory, and is updated automatically. Linked fields are indicated by a chain symbol. Fields that are initially empty in the profile or have been edited manually are indicated by a crossed out chain symbol. We recommend that you make manual changes temporarily and only in exceptional cases. Any changes can also be undone. Once several profiles have been created, another default profile can be set. In order to automatically fill an opened Empower Docs document template with information, some default values have to be set. These include the profile data, location data, and translation. The location settings can be opened in the Open Profile Management by clicking on Manage Defaults. In the drop-down menu under Profile Data, Main Profile, all setup profiles are listed. The desired profile can be selected by clicking on the corresponding name. Depending on the configuration of the document template, information from several profiles can be referenced. In the drop-down menu under Location Data, all available companies and the locations are listed. The desired default location can be selected by clicking on the corresponding name. If no default location has been set, the document template will not be filled automatically. All available languages are listed in the drop-down menu under Translation. The desired language can be selected by clicking on the corresponding name. The language setting influences the display of set profiles and company data. Information that is maintained multilingually in Empower Docs is displayed according to the selected language. For example, a referenced country, e.g. Germany, is displayed as Germany or Deutschland, depending on the language settings. A default configuration for the language settings can be set in Empower Docs. By default, English is set as the default language. If the option Default is selected, the document template is filled according to the set default language. The selection of the default values can be confirmed by clicking on Save. Now feel free and test these functions yourself and save valuable time. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us.